Hello guys, Osman here. So today I'm just going to do a review video about a new product that just hit the marketplace. The product name is called Traffic Nemesis, and this product launched today, which is the 3rd of March 2020 at 10 a.m. Eastern. So this product is created by Manny Hanif and Wayne Crow. So I'm just going to scroll down to show you was the product creators. So Manny Hanif is a Facebook ads expert and product creator. Wayne Crow is a traffic expert, and he is also the founder of Traffic Domination and the Profit Vortex. Okay, so just going to show you quickly Manny Hanif's profile. So you can find him on Facebook. This is Manny Hanif here, and Wayne Crow as well. You can find him on Facebook, and that's me, Osman here. You can find me on Facebook. Okay, so if you're watching this on YouTube, I just want to let you know what this product is all about. Okay, so I won't go through the sales page because you've probably seen the sales page and all the promises that it's made on the sales page, like 100% newbie friendly, hasn't proven 100% proven system that works. And then these are result where people are getting results. This is Manny Hanif result, and then they're getting leads. So how does this work? Step number 1, get access to the system from any computer, tablet, mobile device, internet connection. Step number 2 is start implementing the simple training to get a tsunami free of traffic to your affiliate links, e-commerce website or offers. Step 3, sit back, relax, and watch as your fan page, profile, and group start bringing sales traffic and more freedom. Okay, so before I show you what's inside the members area, I myself has been using organic traffic. So as you can see, I get a lot of engagement because I was an early bird testers for this product. So I've taken a lot of knowledge from Manny Hanif myself, where he showed me how to optimize the profile and how to get loads of engagements and sales. So this definitely works. Okay, so let me show you what's inside the members area. All right, so when you purchase this for $12.95, which is the current price, which is going to be increasing to $27. So the front end price, if you're watching this right now and when it launched, you go and purchase it, you're going to get this for $12.95. So I personally believe it's a good product. I went through all this, and as you can see, first section is to get access to the Facebook group. And then you got section A, which is video number 1, overview of what is product and why use Facebook, the 3 pillars of Facebook. And then here he's talking about fan pages, the groups, and then groups part B, which is more details about Facebook group. And then the angle carrot method. That video is very helpful. I'll leave you to watch this one. And then he's talking about niche groups. Okay, segment method, which is very powerful. A lot of people are leaving money on the table because they just don't know who they are adding as friends and how to segment it. So this strategy alone is worth a lot of money, right? And then you go 10x your organic presence. This is a method I'm using myself. As you can see here, I've used this method myself to get more exposure. And believe me, when I say more exposure, you'll be like amazed. Okay, adding emojis in title, how to drive traffic to your group, self-explanatory. How to revive dead groups. Wow, this module is amazing. Final pillars summary, right? Also, you got bonuses, right? So bonus number 1, Manny is showing how to offer your own Facebook group doctor service, like how to offer a done for you service and get paid for it, right? So this is what he's offering and showing you how to get paid. And then bonus video 2, how to group hack your competitors. So I'll leave that for you to figure out. And then they got some case study, right? And this one is very, very powerful because once you go through this and build your profile and follow everything that he says, then when you watch this case study, it's going to make sense to you, right? Because this guy Al Chisman, I know him, he's a good friend of mine. He did a case study just by making a single post on Facebook, and this guy, he generated 1.5k, right? $1,500 with just one post. And that's like really, really amazing. No paid ads, nothing. Okay, and also you're going to get an interview with myself. Okay, and Manny Hanif, he interviewed me a couple of months ago, and I shared everything that I know when it comes to emojis and how to use emojis, how to make your post stand out. And you're going to get to see my case study as well, where I'm showing you how I'm making $100 a day easy just by making posts on Facebook, right? Also, profile traffic. here he's covering video number 1, how to set up your profile picture, your cover photo, your bio, your featured photo, right? And then you got free traffic from posts, which again is introduction, right? Which you can go through yourself. And then post frequency, this one's very important. You'll find this on my interview as well, but he's covering in depth detail on when to post, what to post, and what's the best timing. Okay, and result from the type of posts, and traffic from motivation posts, traffic from value posts, traffic from lifestyle posts, traffic from the question posts. Yeah, so all this is going to make sense to you, and this is like really leaving no stone unturned, right? Because you're going to learn a lot of stuff, right? And then when it comes to messenger traffic, you got seduction secrets, video number 1, 2, and 3, where it's going to show you how to write simple text messages where people will be really interested in what you have to offer, right? So I can't stress this module enough, because here alone, this is worth a lot of money. Because I haven't seen anybody teaching this, right, except from myself. And when I saw Money Hanif putting this course together, I was like, wow, this guy, people are going to get a lot of benefit just from the traffic seduction, right? Also Facebook stories, not sure if you know what Facebook stories all about, but a lot of people are really missing out. These are Facebook stories where you can see, as this is my profile, I've put a yes and or no, and this is very powerful stuff, guys, because a lot of people are not using it, right? And Facebook stories, you're going to have an overview, why to use Facebook stories, how to get started, content to promote, posting stories from desktop, posting stories from mobile, posting URL links, posting polls in stories, how to generate $100 a day with stories, how to post stories on Instagram and get the extra traffic, right? So Mani Hanif is a Facebook ads expert, and he's mastered the art of Facebook organic traffic as well. And you're going to get a lot of value for $12.95, right? So $12.95 is a no-brainer. So if you're watching this video and you want my honest opinion about this, right? So I would say just close your eyes, go and purchase this for $12.95, okay? Because it comes with a 14 days money back guaranteed. So I'm not asking you to buy this and then go and ask for a refund, but I believe personally you're going to get a lot of value from this course, right? And now let's talk about the upsell. So the Traffic Nemesis front-end price is $12.95, and the price will increase to $27, okay? And then the upsell is $97. So basically, what is the upsell? It's giving you access to done for you plug and play social media posts, right? So you can just download social media plug and play swipes that you can just post, and then 2000 status update for huge engagement. People always ask me, Osman, what do you post? Where do you get your posts, right? So you're going to get a lot of status updates that you can use on Facebook, okay? So what else? Traffic domination coaching. So this one is $4.95. So if you're really serious about getting coaching from Wayne Crow, so $4.95, you're going to get one-on-one coaching with Wayne Crow and Mani Hanif himself. And you can see this guy is doing some really crazy stuff, going live in 5 hours. Ever wondered how I get 423 comments in a group post like the one pictured below? So this guy is getting 423 comments, 1.1k views, right? So you're going to learn all this, and people are actually begging for his link please, right? So they are the master when it comes to traffic, right? And if you decide to purchase this from my link, what I'm going to offer you, right, I'm going to give you access to my 7-figure business group. Okay, this is my 7-figure business group, where this is just like private members only. I got 1,326 members in there, where I've got some units where I'm showing you how to grow your group members, right? So this is what I'm doing, how to grow your group members. And also I'm hosting a 5 days free training. Okay, so this is bonus here. 5 days live free organic traffic training happening on 23rd of March. This is going to be hosted in a private secret group. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link below this video, and for people who just watching this video, this will be my bonuses. You can just click on it and attend this 5 days free live training. Okay, And I believe Traffic Nemesis is a very good product, and if you decide to pick your copy, go ahead and pick it up for $12.95 when it goes live at 10 a.m. Eastern. Again, if you find this video useful, please give me a thumb, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to see a link below this video on how you can purchase Traffic Nemesis, and you're also going to see a link on how to get access to the 5 days live organic traffic trading. So I hope you enjoy my video, and until next time, I'll see you on the internet. Bye for now.